Da, 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 da.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now by the title of this video, you guys already would know what this video is about. But first, if you're new here, hi, my name is Alma and I do hope you stay back by subscribing if you enjoy my content and you enjoy being here in general, okay? So if you have been following me for a while, subscribe to me for a while, you know that I put out some wedding related content in the last couple of weeks. My brother got married here in Abuja, Nigeria. They are based in the States, himself and his wife, but they came back to Nigeria to get married, and then also to answer some questions of people who were asking how did they meet, where are they based, why are they in Nigeria when she's from Jamaica. Okay, they met in the US, they live in the US, and they just came back to Nigeria to get married because that is what the bride wanted. Okay, so yes, I hope I have answered that pending question that has been all over those wedding videos, and many of you guys totally enjoyed the wedding content from their arrival in Nigeria down to when they left. It was fun, and truly one of the very best moments of my entire life. I literally was supervising all of the planning of the wedding from beginning to end, start to finish. It was crazy, but I'm happy everything went well. And of course, I knew from the very onset that I actually wanted to document that wedding for the sole purpose of my YouTube channel and also for memory's sake. So I knew that I had to find a way to be vlogging while being chief planner and also while being the sister of the groom. Okay, managing all of those roles was tough, I tell you, super tough, but I had to find my way around it and just work around it somehow. And I put out a video for the traditional wedding and a video for the church wedding, the white wedding. And when I put out the videos for both weddings, they did pretty well initially. You know, they were getting, I think they got about almost 20k views in the first 2 days, which for me was good. You know, it was good at the time. But after a while, about a week plus after I put up the white wedding video, I started getting a lot more comments on that video, and I'm like, okay, is this video trying to blow up or something? And before I knew what was happening, 20k views, 25,000 views, 30,000 views, 35,000 views, 40,000 views. I'm like, okay, what's going on here? 45k, 50k, 55k, 60k, and my biggest video at the time was my brother's initial return to Nigeria sometime in March. I'll have that video linked up here or here just in case you missed it. That video had about 60k views, and this video was racing to overtake that video, and I'm just like, wait, is this video about to blow? Like, is it about to blow? And before I knew I was going on 60k views, 65, 70. In fact, I went to bed one night, woke up the following morning, and we were at 80k, and just like, pull up, what's going on here? Now, to some people watching, maybe it might look like, okay, it's just how many views that she got, why is she making noise? You will not understand. I have been on YouTube since 2016. I've been on YouTube putting out videos. That first year obviously was not very consistent of me. I didn't put out videos consistently, maybe like once in 2 weeks or something. But as each year came, I started getting more and more consistent. I feel like my actual consistency started in 2018-ish, 2019-ish, and as at this year, I've been putting out videos 3 times a week. 3 times a week. Very daunting, very stressful, very demanding, but I've been doing it, okay? And I still hadn't gotten a video that had 100k views. Like, I still hadn't gotten a video in the last the last 5 years plus. I haven't gotten a video that has 100k views ever. I haven't gotten a viral video, in quotes. My own definition of a video going viral is 100k views and above. Argue with your ancestors. Some people have 1 million views, some people have 2 million, 3 million, 4, 5 million. Fantastic, and we shall get there. But for those of us who are still coming up, we have not even smelled 100k views video before, ever. So one of my goals for the year was to get up to 100k views on one of my videos. I didn't even want more than 1 or 2 or 3. I just wanted like one video to at least get to or surpass 100k views. That was one of my goals for the year. For me, I like to set realistic goals for myself. I like setting goals that I know that if I work hard enough, I would achieve. And 100k views looked like a lot, but I just set that goal for myself, knowing that if I work really hard, I can achieve it, you know. And there are videos that I have put out all year round that I thought that's the video that's gonna blow. That video is gonna blow. It's that one, it's gonna blow. And they never really blew, okay? In fact, some of them even did poorly, really, really poorly. But that did not really stop me, okay? I started being very intentional about my titles. If you guys notice, I'm very, very intentional about the kind of titles I use for my videos, and also my thumbnails. I try not to do clickbaity thumbnails or thumbnails that act like I'm shocked, I'm surprised, like oh my god, you know. But I try to do thumbnails that I know will be appealing enough for people to click on a video. Now for this particular video, my brother's church wedding video, I didn't even do like a, what do you call it, you know how you divide your thumbnail into like 2 sections, one picture here, one picture here. For the trad wedding, I even did like 3 pictures, a main photograph of 2 of them, and then 2 pictures up and down. And then for the church wedding, in fact, when that video was going up, I couldn't even get any pictures from Jesse because he was the official photographer of the event. I took his camera, took out the memory card, put it into my laptop, and I started searching for the best photograph I could use for a thumbnail that I could edit myself, maybe even on my phone, you know. And I was just scrolling and scrolling, and the ones I had, the couple would have needed Jesse's touch, like those bridal portraits that need actual photography editing. So I had to go with something that I could easily edit on my phone, and I came across the ones during their first dance, and I saw a particular one that looked so good with the lighting and the low fog and the fireworks and everything. It just looked really, really dreamy, and I knew that okay, I have to use this picture. It may just be catchy enough to draw people into watching the video. So I took that picture, went on my phone, edited it. It didn't even look perfect to me, but I didn't even care. I'm just like, you know what, let's just use this picture anyhow as it be. Let's use it like that. And I used the picture for my thumbnail. Now for the title, I was also very intentional about that video title. I didn't want to just say my brother's Nigerian wedding or my brother's Nigerian Jamaican wedding. I wanted something that when people see the title, they would want to click on it. And I actually remember seeing a couple of videos on YouTube with the wedding that broke the internet. Oh, this wedding broke the internet. I'm just like, that's the title. That's the title. So I used the title, the Nigerian Jamaican wedding that broke the internet, period. That's what I used. I didn't think it would gather as much views. I just thought, okay, it's a catchy title. Anybody that is drawn to it will want to click and watch it. But I didn't know for sure that it was going to get as many views as it has gotten so far, because some people will still think that that kind of a title is a bit clickbaity and they will not want to click for that reason. But I was just, you know, hoping, fingers crossed, that something would happen or that the algorithm will be in my favor. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just put it that way, put the picture, put the title, uploaded the video, and went to bed. I knew that my OG subscribers, especially those people who have been waiting for the video, asking for the video, would watch. But what I didn't know was, will I be able to get new people to watch? Would I be able to appeal to a larger audience? Those were the questions that I was asking myself, you know, when I put out that video. But as it is always with me, once I upload a video like this, I close my YouTube. That's it. I come and check on the video like maybe like hours later. And when I did check after I had uploaded, it was doing, you know, fairly well. Why? Because many people had been asking for that video. My subscribers had been asking. So I knew that they would watch, right? But of course, as time went on, of course, the growth slowed down. And then, of course, like I said earlier, a few days after, about a week plus after, it picked up from nowhere. I started getting comments from people saying, oh, I'm Jamaican. Oh, this video was amazing. This wedding was beautiful. I started getting comments from a lot of Jamaican people. A lot of Jamaican people, which meant that a lot of them were either searching for Jamaican weddings or YouTube was recommending this video to them for some reason. But the long and short of everything is that I got a lot more new viewers and even a few more subscribers. As I am filming this video right now, I do have over 15,000 subscribers, approaching 16,000, which is really, really good considering that my goal for the year was 20k subscribers. Well, is 20k subscribers, and I am pretty confident that I would hit 20k before the year runs out at this point. So I'm so grateful for every single person who has subscribed to my channel through this video. I am so grateful, so grateful. I'm so happy. And also, as at the time I'm filming this video, the video has about 130,000 views. The video just kept climbing and I can't stop myself from blushing hard. When it was climbing and got to 90k views, it was at night, I remember when it hit 90k views, and I was like, is this about to be my 100k video? Is this video about to be my 100k video? And by the time I woke up in the morning, I think it was my husband that told me, babes, your video is at 102,000 views. And I can't even begin to explain the emotion I felt, because for me it was almost like it's been a long time coming. I've been on this journey for so long. I put in so much into YouTube. I work my ass off for YouTube, just to say that this year has actually really been good with regards to YouTube, not just, you know, this wedding series now, but you know, throughout the year I've made more money than I would have made last year or the year before. I mean, come on, I'm not where I was last year on YouTube. I'm being completely honest. You know how it is when you just start comparing the numbers, start saying, oh my god, I should be at this point at this time. Why am I taking so long to get here? Why is the growth so slow? Blah 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 blah. But I'm still grateful for my journey. I finally got my 100k video 5 years after starting YouTube. That's to show you people's journeys are different. Somebody can get up today, start YouTube, and in 1 week they get 1 million views on a video. You can never ever know. This YouTube streets is very, very rugged. If the algorithm and the gods of YouTube are in your favor, you'll hit it sooner than you think. But then everybody's journey is different. Everybody's race on this YouTube street is different. And I'm just so happy that, you know, within 2 weeks I've gotten my 100k video finally, and the video is still growing. People are still watching, people are still commenting, and the views are still counting. I'm hoping and praying, fingers crossed, that we get the 200k views. That's, for me, that's the goal now for the video. You know, when you achieve a particular goal for something, you then set another goal for yourself. So yes, the video has 600k views, that surpassed 100k views. The next goal for that video for me is 200k views. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping, praying that we get the 200k views on that video, and I'll be super happy about that. But in the meantime, we are at 130,000 views on that video, and my total YouTube views went up this week by a couple of 100,000, and I hit 2 million YouTube total views. I'm super grateful and thankful for that. I think I hit 1 million views just 2 months ago or so. I think it was about 2 months ago I hit 1 million views, total views on YouTube, and now I am celebrating 2 million views within a space of 2 months or 3 months, and I'm so happy about that. My YouTube channel page, the channel dashboard, also told me that I have gotten 328% more views in the last 28 days than I usually would get, and that is amazing. It's amazing to get 100% more views than usual, but what is even way more amazing is getting 328% more views than usual. That's amazing. Of course, with this, obviously my revenue has gone up as well. I'm excited about that. I think I'll do a video on how much YouTube paid me for a 100k view video. Kini. I'll do that in the coming weeks, sometime in the coming weeks. Look out for that, guys. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Just to let you guys know that I am really thankful for all of you. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for making this small girl from Asaba's dream come true. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, subscribe down below. Let me also know in the comments if you enjoyed watching, and if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you've watched more than one of my video at this point, you should be subscribed because you love me and you enjoy watching me. So just subscribe because I love you too. Share this video with anybody you think will enjoy watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it.